Stock?
Holy.
New? Yo, what up guys? My name's Prem. We got Mr. Hamji walking around somewhere inside. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, help us out. We are installing, man, these guys can't even let me make a video. Alright, we will be installing a brand new exhaust system on the Jag today, the Quicksilver exhaust. It took like a month to come in, that's why we've been kind of slow on the videos. But as you can see, a neighbor over there, buddy's lurking around in a Rolls-Royce Wraith. Insane, super nice car. Got the new exhaust sitting right here. We're gonna unbox this thing in a minute. You guys don't understand how excited I am for this new exhaust to go on. I've been waiting literally since we ordered it a month ago for this thing to come in. Should I guide it? Yeah. Unboxing. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Gotta put in the AirPods before you start any work, alright?
Gotta be able to dance. I dance in every single.
Yo, that's the thing. Hamji dances in every video.
I've already danced in this video.
Yeah, yeah, there we go. Every video I've had Hamji in, he's dancing.
This is a dancer.
You should see this guy at parties, dude. Sun's out, guns out.
Guns out, guns out, guns right back.
Sun's out, guns out, but he's gonna hide the guns, you know. Oh man.
Who's calling on Saturday?
Who's calling on a Saturday, dude? We're closed. Technically, we're always open, actually.
Dude, there's a flag on the side.
I know, I just noticed it too.
Nice box.
That's a nice box, except for the big hole.
Nice box.
Should be good. Here we go. I'm missing the unboxing over here. Let's go.
Those guys over here unboxing so fast. I'm too excited.
What it do, baby?
Okay, so it's a
Nice, clean
look at that.
Jaguar F-Pace Quicksilver. It's the real deal. Nice little can on there.
Not bad. The welds are pretty nice. Just a nice solid weld. Looks nice. Oh, that's a nice little canister.
Smells nice.
You can totally tell this is obviously somebody. This is all hand done. Like this is a small. It's got to be a small company that's producing.
Yeah.
It's not big time. This is all hand done. Like, all these are hand tackles. This is something I would do, which not a bad thing by any means, but it's nice. You know, there's so much
handmade quality, just like the car. Where's the tips, man? Oh, what is this? Grease.
So this is just the grease, exhaust system fitting paste. You know, to get all that contact together.
These are the tips, babe. Here.
They're the tips.
Here's the tips, yeah.
Actually, just take those out. Just leave this in here for now.
Yeah, we'll leave that in.
Just like this.
Oh yeah, that looks like a nice little can.
Oh, these are gonna be carbon finish, I think.
Oh,
damn.
Carbon finish, baby.
Those are nice, dude.
Those are super. Yeah, so Quicksilver is gonna be upwards like that. Oh, obviously. Oh yeah. Should we just put the tips on? So, these are the old ones, guys. Very plain Jane.
Yeah, dude, this is awesome, man. This is probably such a small factory. It's probably a shop, maybe not much bigger than this.
No, it's a small organization.
This is awesome, man. I'm happy to support a business like this, dude.
Yeah, but
hopefully she sounds good.
yeah, let's not speak too soon.
Yeah, let's hopefully she sounds
We're not gonna speak too soon, but if this works out, we'll be buying exhaust systems for all the cars from these guys. We're gonna start working on this, so I am going to put you guys down and you can watch. Yeah. Just to protect the paint. It's taking some precautionary measures. Stock.
Holy.
New. Yo, this one's a little bit longer too, so it's gonna stick out more.
Exactly. Well, because I was looking, the can sits further back in that one because it's a way smaller can, right?
Exactly, yeah. Old, new, let's go. Alright, we're gonna do a startup. Who the hell is this?
They call me Banana Man.
Banana Man? We got Banana Man over here. Lowering this thing. We got to lower it. Alright guys, we have got the new exhaust installed. But as you can see, those exhaust tips look really, really clean. Blacked out, carbon fiber. We're gonna give her a little start. I just gotta wait for my business partner over here. I don't know where he went. Alright.
Ready for the first start?
Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Much deeper.
Much deeper actually. It's not way nicer than the 3 pipe.
Yeah, that sounds clean. That sounds clean. Looking clean, sounding clean, everything very clean. When we go for a drive, then that's when we'll figure out really, when we open her up. Oh, that cracked.
That sounds fantastic, man.
Yeah, that sounds clean. Hold this.
You know what? They're sticking out the perfect amount.
Yeah, no.
It's actually sticking out perfectly. People going crazy over there. This intersection is suicide. People don't know what to do sometimes.
Real drive's gonna be when we get it under some load.
Oh, that crackle pop, man. That's it. I thought you'd have to get a mad tune to get that, but no, it's clearly that's nice when you open it up.
Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good.
Yeah, sticking out the perfect amount, dude. Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll do a couple. Do a couple drive-bys for you guys.
What's this nonsense? Demonetized.
This place is awesome. So look at the side of the wall here. Look at all that writing. You see that section there?
Yeah.
That's before I die. So there's like obviously a couple hundred spots there. Anyone can come write anything. Before I die, I want to do this. Before I die, I want to do this. And they got chalk all beside. There's such funny ones. The funniest one is the most appropriate one I can say is I want to come and take a crap on my ex's lawn or on my ex's front door.
That doesn't take much.
No.
It's a good loudness.
Oh, that's great.
It's good enough where it won't piss off the old people too much.
Old people meaning
but it's loud enough it's loud enough where it still might piss off some old people. You want to do a takeoff right here?
Yeah, let's do it.
Go! Oh my god, dude. Wow. That's all I can say. That sounds so good. It purrs. That sounds clean. That sounds clean. Very clean. I think these guys at this railway place are getting mad at us. Wow. Sounds very, very, very good. I like it. Just keep it on your face. I just want to get your reaction.
All right. Should I go in the center and you want to do a drive-by? Alright, let's go. So far, really happy. It sounds really nice and clean. Not overly loud. It's just a very clean exhaust. Everyone can drive this thing and no one's really going to be upset. Most people, if they hop in, they won't even really know it's an aftermarket exhaust because they're probably not going to let it open. But once you open it up, oh, she sounds really good. She looks really good too. Oh, never mind. you'll definitely know it's aftermarket. Damn, that sounds good. Oh, I can't wait for it to come by on a kind of, I don't know if Brim's gonna keep it easy, but I can't wait to hear it at, like, you know, just a consistent, just a nice consistent mid-range. Nope, there's gonna be no mid-range. It's gonna be all high. Downshift, baby, downshift. A lot louder than I thought. Oh, that sounds good. That's clean though. That's very clean. Hopefully he picks me up this time. Let's see. Oh, you guys can't hear it, but that little bit of crackliness just as it's slowing down. Oh, it's super nice. That's clean. Quicksilver, you've done a good job. You've done a really good job. Man. That's music. That's music, baby. That's music. That's just the stuff we put on?
Yeah.
That's just that burning off.
Sounds
Oh yeah, for those who see a little bit of smoke, that's just the fitting paste. That's just that burning off.
Yeah, that's probably not too good.
And there's probably some factory oils they have in there. All those on brand new exhaust systems, this kind of stuff happens, and then it just burns off. And then when you let it open, oh, she screams, dude.
She's like, oh my god!
And it's nice because when we had it straight piped, it was that you sometimes get that little bit of raspiness, that high pitch rasp. This has eliminated that. It's super clean. It's worth what it is, man. Like Quicksilver.
Honestly, yeah.
It looks clean too. It's a clean looking exhaust. Super easy install, like extremely easy. Everything lined up perfectly. They've kind of whatever they used to measure it all, it's just like OEM fitting.
Let's see if we can get some reactions. Look, these guys are just riding some bikes over her.
These guys are doing some crazy. Look at this guy, man.
Crazy. Yeah, that sounds nice. Yeah. Oh yeah.